Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys this accessory adjustment glitch on Dress to Impress. Only works on free play though. If you go to the dressing rooms and for instance you want something to be either bigger or smaller. For instance, I want the eyes to be smaller. I'm going to save the outfit in this place. Then I'm going to wear it again. Make sure you press wear again. Then you're going to select the accessory that you want to make smaller or bigger. And then I'm just going to scale it down all the way to the left again, and as you can see it is smaller. You can make it like a little bit bigger. It's not going to go back to the full size here, as you can see, but if you want to make it bigger, like super big, you can also do this hack as well if you want to make it either super small or super big. I think it only works for the scale though. It doesn't work for like the positioning of it. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.